Good morning to the class. My best wishes to all the children to enter into the next academic year, and I hope all are safe and healthy. So, today we will start our first English online class with a funny and a nice conversation between two mouses. Between two mouse cousins, that is named as the town mouse and the country mouse. So, here the town mouse and the country mouse were both are cousins. The town mouse lived at the back of the kitchen cupboard in a rich man's house in a town, and whereas the country mouse lives in a village. So then often they wrote the letters to each other. So here in this conversation there are two mouses. Actually they both are cousins to each other, and they often wrote the letters to each other to know about themselves. So in this, country mouse was lived in a small village, and the town village lived in a kitchen cupboard in a rich man's house. And so here one day the town mouse wrote a letter to his cousin that he was ill and wanted to stay with the country mouse in his country, as he had advised by the doctor to spend a week in the countryside. So one day the town mouse, the mouse which is lived in the town, that was wrote a letter to the country mouse to stay with him. Why it want to stay with him? Because of some illness, the doctor advised that town mouse to stay in the country to get the fresh air and to change some climate and everything. So because of that reason, the town mouse wrote a letter to his cousin. So immediately the country mouse got the letter from the town mouse. Immediately he invited the town mouse to his countryside. So whenever the country mouse received the letter from his cousin, immediately the country mouse invited his cousin to come to that countryside, means to that small village. So then the town mouse packed his bag and started to caught the next train to countryside. So whenever the town mouse got the letter from his cousin, then immediately it packed his bag and starts to go to the countryside by the next train. But so the same day the town mouse was caught the train, but in the train the town mouse felt very hot and uncomfortable. Why? In the train it is a middle class train, and there is no air conditioner, nothing is there. So the train it was felt very hot and uncomfort. Why? Because not only that, the day was very hot and sunny also. The day was very sunny and hot. So because of that, the town mouse felt very hot and uncomfortable in the train. After some time the country mouse received the town mouse at the station. After some time the country mouse received the town mouse at the station of the countryside. So they both felt very happy to see them. Then the town mouse asked the country mouse for some orange juice or lemonade, saying that it was thirsty. So after getting down from the train, the town mouse asked the country mouse for some orange juice or some lemonade to get the thirsty. But in the countryside there is no that type of drinks or anything. So the country mouse offered him to take the coconut water only. So in the villages they are not used these type of juices. So that's why the countryside what it done, so it offered only the coconut water. But the mouse the town mouse is not interested to drink the coconut water, and after that they went to their house, and later that night also the country mouse served the food to the town mouse as the sugar cane, the roots of sugar cane only. The roots of in the dinner also it offered only the roots of sugarcane only. So because of this one, the town mouse is not interested. Why? Because it is not enjoyed the food. Why it was not enjoyed the food? Why? Because in the town the people are mostly used to eat some bread jam, fruits, or some chocolates, ice creams, like that. So here those type of foods are not available in the countryside. So because of this one, the town mouse is not interested, is not interested to take the food and not enjoyed the food also. And not only that, later it has to sleep on the ground itself. So later he had to sleep on the hard and cold ground. So the countryside villages were very quiet. Not only this, the countryside villages were very quiet and it should not, the town mouse should not like this one. So immediately it want to go back to his town. So the town mouse felt it is very strange and did not like this type of climate and everything in the villages. So it went back to his town. So after few days, the country mouse wrote a letter to his cousin to know about his health. After few days, again the country mouse, his cousin, want to know about his cousin's health, how it is it fine or not. So again she wrote a letter to his cousin, which is lived in a town. Then the town mouse received the letter and sent a telegram to come his town, because again it was invited his cousin which is lived in countryside. Then after few days, the country mouse visited the town. But the country mouse did not enjoy. Why? Because there is more traffic and sounds, everything, and even in midnights also lights were it watches the lights. Even midnights also there are, every road will be with lights and everything, more traffic, etc. So the country mouse wanted some water and little food only, but his cousin offered him to take the bread, jam, and different type of fruits, lemonade, chocolates, cheese, and everything. The town mouse offered the food to his cousin as different you can see in the picture also, different types of different types of fruits, bread, jam, and to drink the orange juice, chocolates, cheese, everything it was offered. But the country mouse should not have the habit to take all this type of food. It wants only some little bit of food and some water only. So and meanwhile, when they are discussing about, when they are taking the dinner, they had to run and hide them silently as somebody entered into the room and opened the cupboard. So whenever they are eating the food, so there is some sound, someone is opening the cupboard. So immediately they had to run away and they had to hide in the cupboard. So the country mouse was tired of doing this one, and she did not want to do like this. Why? Because in the countryside they are free and they has to go to everywhere, wherever they want to run, wherever they want to sleep, wherever they want to sit, and everything they can do freely. But in the towns, where the town mouse was lived in the cupboard, the rich man's cupboard, so it is not possible to take the food freely, and it is not possible to sit silently, it is not possible to go to anywhere. So these are impossible things in the town. So because of this reason, the country mouse should not like this all the things, and immediately it want to go back to his country. So the country mouse went back to his countryside and they did not visit each other again. And so the town mouse should not like the countryside village, and that's country mouse should not interested and should not enjoy the towns also. So because of this reason, again they should not meet each other, and simply they wrote the letters to each other to know about themselves only. So this is the lesson. In this story we came to know about the different lifestyles of the people who are living in villages and the people who are living in towns. So they have different habitats and they have different food styles, different lifestyles and everything, and their habitat to their particular place only. So they're not interested to live in the another places and everything. So this is the today's lesson, and in the next class we'll go for the glossary and remaining exercise and everything. Thank you.